All right, here we go. A collapsible stool right here. It comes in this nice bag, but if you're camping, hiking, going to a soccer game, going to a kid's game, and you're looking for that seat, maybe even just friend's house and they don't have extra seats, check this out. Cushion pad we'll get to in a second, but here it is. I love this thing because, yeah, it's got the handles to twist open. It also has a lock on it as well, so you can lock this into place so you don't have to worry about it accidentally coming undone. So it's locked, can't open it. Unlocked, get ready for the magic. Here we go, ready? Open it up like that. So now you have a seat you could sit on. It holds like 300 pounds or something, so I'm not worried. I'm half that. A lot, yeah, definitely more than half that. But it's a nice, comfortable seat. But it gets better because there is this cushion on it. So when you're sitting on it, it actually swivels around. That way the whole seat doesn't have to move, but you can come over here, have this conversation, go over here, talk about it over here. This would be great if you're fishing as well. What a great spot to be fishing on the seat. It's very comfortable. Anyone that I've ever shown this to, they sit on it for the first time, they're actually going, wow, this is really comfortable, really secure. And yeah, it just fits down in this nice compact design like this. Simple like that, lock it into place. It even has a strap here so you can tie this around itself and give it a little shoulder strap, you know, if you want to walk, or attach it to your backpack if you're hiking. Gives you a lot of options. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.